So this is my hair. After I just wash it, I just use Munir shampoo because my hairdresser told me that I shouldn't use conditioner or any type of mask because tomorrow I have my hair appointment and I have to just have washed hair but without any treatment or product. So I'm so anxious to see how will turn. I want to be more blonde in this part just because I have a lot of gray hair. I just want when this hair grows just to blend very nice with this part, so something like this to see the color. I am more edgy and more blonde, lighter blonde on my mid ends, and I want something like this just to have in my root area also, because like you see, when my hair grows I have a lot of gray hair, especially in this part, more gray than dark brown. So I need to achieve a color that combine my gray hair when it grows with the rest of the color and with some parts of dark brown, because even in this middle part I start to have gray hair. So I have to be careful when I highlight my hair, just to have a nice transition from the root to the rest of the hair. But beside of this, I'm happy with my hair condition. I do not use, like I told you, conditioner or mask or any like this, and my hair feels soft. It surprised me. I was thinking that without using conditioner or mask my hair will feel very dry in this part, but it has a good condition, so I hope tomorrow will have a good hair appointment. And I trust a lot of my in my hairdresser, and I know she will do an amazing job. So I will try to film this time a little bit more of my hair appointment, and I will insert the video here. Talk about my hair transformation. Like you see now, I have a very good light, so I can show you my final result. I just went 2 days ago at my hairdresser, and she succeeded to light up my hair. And just to cover this gray hair, like you see in this video, I will insert here how my hair looks before. So I'm so pleased with the result. Maybe we did a little bit lighter in this part, this money piece, but I hope to redone my hair in 3 or 4 months, just to make a little more time between my hair appointment. So now I just highlight my hair at 2 months. I have 2 months since I done my hair last time. So hopefully next time we'll extend this period at 3 or maybe 4 months. We struggle a little bit with this part. Like you see, it is a little bit more warm because I have coloring my hair in the summer at home with Apivita. I have a video on this channel where I show you how my hair looks, and that color didn't blend so well with the powder, the bleach. So we have to retouch the bleach on this part just to have the same level 10, because if you want to be on this gray part of blonde, you have to be on the 10 level of your hair. Maybe the hairdresser or the person that highlights and bleach their hair knows about this. When our natural tone, it is on 4 or 5 if you have brunette hair, but if you want edgy cold tone, you have to lift on 10 level. So we succeed in this part where I have the natural color to lift at 10. I was so pleased because my hair natural lift very well in just one session of bleaching, but in this part we have to re-bleach in the same hair appointment. So she told me that hopefully in 3 or 4 months, when we will retouch my hair, this part we will get rid of the color part. Overall, I'm so pleased with the result. I'm ready for the season, this Christmas season. If you are new here, my name is Irene, and I post on Monday and Friday new video about hair care, skincare, and other beauty tips or review of the product that I have been trying. So I will be glad to have you here in my community. Please subscribe and like this video, turn on the notification to be able to see when I post. So I also did my nails. These are my Christmas nails for this year. I have some red color and in this part some model. I'm so pleased with the result. So I'm ready for this Christmas season. I have ordered a new shampoo for Munir, the same that I have been using since I highlight my hair. The Boost Toner shampoo by Munir is the only one that I have been using on my hair, and I will continue using. The mask that I use, it is from Oligo, the purple one, also from my hairdresser, but I mix with my Kerastase mask that I already have. But when I will finish, I will buy the Oligo mask. I try a little bit of Fanola mask before I done my hair, because if didn't succeed my color after I put this hair mask, I have my hair appointment and we will fix the color. But fortunately the mask went very well on my hair. Give a little bit of purple and cut off the yellow, because I struggle with the yellow tone when I have this type of color. In rest, I have only Olaplex oil, like I mentioned in other video with my hair care routine. I will insert the link in the description box below. And the leave-in conditioner from Red Can, I have a little bit, but I already have the Munir mousse that gives the nice shine and hydration for your hair, and the K18 treatment. The hairdresser also recommend me to use this type of reconstruction, because now that we retouch with bleach this part. There are some part that are damaged, but overall I like it so much. Now I hope to grow out my hair longer and to be able to have nice curl, but I like the color, I like the shine that my hair have, and I'm pleased with the result. Hopefully you will find interesting my video with my hair transformation, and I will see you in my next one. Till next time, bye bye guys.